Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this content is not available in YouTube error. So first of all, you're going to have to, launch your YouTube and try refreshing your page a couple of times. It might happen when the content is available, but your page is not showing them. So go ahead and refresh your page a couple of times. Once you have refreshed your page, if it's still not working, then try your Brave browser. Launch a Brave, type in youtube.com and see if the content or that video is available in Brave platform. Now, if it's still not working, then this also could be a regional restriction. If you are residing in a certain region, that content might not be available there. So head over to your Play Store and simply go ahead download a VPN. So type in VPN. Go ahead, download any VPN that you would prefer, and then try again by launching YouTube. If it's still not working, just know that the owner of the content or the creator of the content has, removed the content from YouTube. That is why you're not being able to view it. So guys, this is all for today's video. Thank you for watching.